Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be doing a donut themed chip bag. Yeah, a donut themed chip bag. I like this. I found this invitation on Google. It says you do not want to miss this. I like the look of this, but I like the words to this one. So I'm going to try to mix these two a little bit. Now, for a donut theme, there's like all types of different little cute sayings, that you can say. Do not grow up. You do not want to miss this. Something else. Our sweetie Ava. It's just all types. All types. Go to Google. Always look up invitations if you need some ideas. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I honestly have no idea, but I'm going to figure this out. I know I want to do like the pastel colors. So I like this, but of course we got to get rid of this line down here. So let's go to formats. Let's go to crop. We're just going to bring up these bars right here, and we're just going to go ahead and take that off. So where now this is what we are left with. I'm going to make this the background, not the background, but the back design for the chip bag. Let's go copy, paste. Let's put this right here. And let's push this backwards so it can bring up the nutrition facts and barcode. And I had sort of a kind of weird idea I wanted to do with the border on this. I actually wanted to do like this icing. So let's bring this forward. Yes, I actually want this to be the border. All right, so let's copy. Let's also put it down here. Now, I'm not sure if it should be dripping like the same way, or if I should, I'm gonna turn it the other way. So let's rotate this, flip it vertical. Yeah, let's push it up. This one is a little bit small. Let's do this one big. All right. And these images are going to be on my Patreon page. All right. So far, I am like loving this. This is cute. So let's bring this forward. That's cute, but it's still just a little bit too plain for me. And I'm still going to add a border to this. Just something on top of it. No outline. Let's go with a really light purple. All right, love it. Yep, cute. Copy. Let's paste this on the bottom. All right. All right. We are like pretty much there. All right, let's see the example one more time. All right, so they got like some big old donuts. All right, so let's see how I'm going to do this exactly. I don't want that. Don't want you. You're out. You are out, which leaves me with you guys. You are out. Okay. I guess you are the lucky winner. All right, what did I say I wanted to say? I wanted to say this. Okay, do not donut grow up. Okay. So this is going to speak as the existing O. All right, so let's insert. Let's go ahead and find some letters. D space, space, space. That is definitely not big enough, so let's add some more. Another one. All right, that looks about right. All right, that way we can do this bigger. And now I'm going to actually go to formats. And I'm going to go to picture because I'm going to fill these letters in with an image. All right, so let's see what I got. Something. Let's try the sprinkles. Let's try these sprinkles. Ooh, Lord have mercy, help me. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, do not grow up. Insert. I actually want this to be like some little fancy font. Yep, that actually fits perfectly, like right there with the donut. Okay, do not grow up. And then what? They have her name. Okay, Madison. Insert. Did they use the same font? I don't know. All right, we're just gonna do it like this. Okay. Make her name Pink. Smooth this up a little bit. Madison turning 1. All right, now let's put. Nah, I don't like that. No, I don't want a border. Madison, insert. And let's do this one with the donuts picture, the sprinkles as well. If this will ever load. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. Seriously? Lord have mercy. Okay. For the sake of the video, we're just going to go with purple. What did I say? Madison. I'm going to say Madison's. Well, you know. Madison's Turning 1. Oh, Lord, what was that? You guys, I have the worst cold ever. Like, it's freaking terrible. Okay. Let me center everything. Alright, let's put these donuts on the back. Come on over here, donuts. Hurry up. My laptop is going super slow right now. Insert. Let's go with, you know what? Let's do the blue. You guys, this is the worst. I feel so terrible. Terrible, terrible. All right, let's shrink these down. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Pretty much sums it up. Only thing that I was not able to do was change these gosh darn letters because my laptop was acting all funky. Yeah, so these images will be on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.